Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold. And let me share my screen with you. Right. Amazing movement today for these are yesterday's levels, and you can see that market has moved from the 1930 level to the upside and respecting our level. This level was broken, 1936, and market went up as we could have. You could have, if you haven't, used Dixie to confirm your price probability, and look, market done amazing today. And this is 5 minutes. Let me go to 15 minutes. This is Asian zone. It was broken, and yeah, and amazing trades today. So I hope you had a good profitable day. And this, let me put on 1 hour chart. Let me remove all these levels now. Put a fresh level. I'll put fresh levels. Right. This is what. This is daily. Huge rejection from the top, and I'm expecting movement to the downside, 1885 level at least, and then rejection maybe from there, and then again down to the downside again. As I said before, that market have came up to the 0.6 level, and in fact 0.78 towards here, but more towards 0.6. Closing was close to this level, and from there market rejected, made a double top, and I am expecting move to the downside. Why? Because the Dixie is going to the upside, depending on the Dixie. And if the Dixie comes, there's a gap here as well. It might come to fill this gap, and Dixie is moving to the upside. So let's see how the Dixie behaves, and then we'll have more probability for the gold. Now it's standing at this level, and we would definitely expect some pullback to the downside. So if that's the case, then gold should shoot up. However, at the moment, gold have to test this level as well. And these are levels. Right. Levels are very important, whether you trade in the news or without news. They're very important. So you can see these are the levels. Some levels are very strong, some are not very strong. If the more data points, you can see that, then we'll have more strength in the levels. Now, what's happening? Let's see. Yeah, market may come up to this level, 1928 level, and from there, we may see a rejection. Could be to this level, even up to there, depending on the Dixie movement as well. See, 0.61 is around this area. And this fib level is very important. So if I take my fib from here, you can see that is 0.5. 0.38 this level is, and market can go up to all the way to the. Well, anyway, let's see. Let's see how the market behaves. So these are the important levels, guys. You can check in different time frame. Look, there's a huge rejection from the top. So overall, we're looking for the direction to the downside because of this double top formation, and I will definitely look for the double sell opportunity. And depending on the US probability in USDX, always make sure your probability is correct. Don't just jump on to just simple structure analysis. Structure analysis good, but if you have more analysis, more probability, that's better. So if we see rejection, this is a level. 1918, that's a level as well. So market can come here before it goes up or it consolidates and so on. So this is how I analyze the market, and if you manage well, it works very well. Let's see what's happening in Dixie. As I said before, Dixie is on the top and we can possibly see a rejection. Let's go on to 4-hour chart, and we should definitely see a rejection from here, and it's happening. And let's go into 1 hour, and 1 hour, it will go to the upside. I mean, one daily, not 1 hour, sorry. So it's upside story. And these are the levels to the downside. So let's see how the market behaves. And looking at Forex Factory, we have very interesting news. We are 8:30 CHF, 12 p.m. We got CHF, GBP, the interest, official bank interest rates, and expected the forecast is higher. Let's see. And USD unemployment claims 130, 3 p.m. Euro news, USD 3 p.m. as well. And today we have very volatile day. If you have good skills, you definitely can benefit from it. So let's see. Let's go on to GBP JPY analysis. And what does it say? It's looking into daily. Let me remove. It's currently still on that level we had previously, and it's just bouncing up and down from that level. Let me remove this. This is not a clear movement at the moment. It's just consolidating on at the moment, and let me right. Daily, what is happening? It's still testing this level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So nearly a week is still starts testing this level. So this level is important, and as you can see, it's consolidating for the last few days, and we will clearly see a movement once this level is broken. Looking at and going on into 4-hour chart, we need to break this to see a clear movement. So I would suggest only you can do scalping. There's no massive opportunity. You can just day trading is fine, but if you want to take long-term trade, there's no big opportunity. Maybe it's waiting for the interest rates. And let's see. Right. Okay, so that's it. Well, we can quickly look GBP USD as well. Let me go to daily. Definitely coming to the downside. So interest rate is positive tomorrow. We can, this is a level we can see some sort of rejection from here as well. However, if this level is broken, then move to the downside. So let's see. Right. I hope this is helpful, and have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye.